Alright, so fix your mirror, you want to put it all the way down, and then in here, got a little couple of clip. You're going to need a small flathead screwdriver or a thinner trim removal tool. This one was too thick, it wouldn't go in. It's very hard to film in there, but yeah, essentially you press the clip down a bit and put some pressure backward. As you can see, I've got one clip removed. Now just need to do the second, and then that should go. And what we are fixing is this. There we go, the cover is off. So when you remove those two clips, it kind of angles slightly that way and then slightly that way to kind of make it come up. But once those two are removed, you won't struggle. And then the indicators, you basically have just that one clip here that you can even press with your hand and pry it out. Then you've got a small connector here. I found those ones are actually quite hard. It's easier to put a flathead screwdriver in there and get it out. Anyway, I'll do this off camera. So that's our broken one. Mirror to mirror collision. The cover was also broken. One of those clips was broken, and if one of those is broken, it won't really stay on. To fix it was just simply buying a new one, bring it to a painter, get it fixed. Not too bad, I think. With the paint job was about 60 quid. And then those replacements from Ford are just under 30 quid. So pretty cheap repair you can do yourself. A replacement one. Be very careful when ordering them. There is a different version of the Kuga that have longer wing mirror, and the part is exactly the same, just like half an inch longer. Yeah, I got caught. This is the second time I come here to fix this. But yeah, so double check. Make sure you take picture and make sure the reference on them are perfect. Anyway, basically we plug it in and we shove it back in the way we took it out. Pretty straightforward. There we go, back in place and looking good. Now we just need to put the cover back on, and here we go, it's back on. So the trick is to basically to start from this side. You can see you have a little socket, you line it up, and then you basically kind of bring it like that. But yeah, I mean, pretty straightforward, to be honest. You just easy to get. And here we go, guys, another one you can fix yourself. All the link in the description, and some of the tools if you need them. Anyway, see you in the next one. Bye.